In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to speed up your workflow or tailor the program to better suit your personal preferences, customizing keyboard shortcuts can be a powerful way to improve your productivity. So let's dive right in and explore this simple process together. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Word document you're working on. Once your file is open on your screen, look towards the top left corner. You'll notice various tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, and so on. Click on the File tab, which is often highlighted and located on the uppermost left side. This action will direct you to a new view, providing a list of options related to your document management tasks like saving, opening, and printing documents. Next, you'll want to locate and click on Options towards the bottom of this menu. This is the gateway to a multitude of customization and configuration possibilities within Word. A dialog box will open up, presenting you with numerous settings categories: General, Display, Proofing, and more. For our purpose, focus your attention on finding Customize Ribbon. Selecting Customize Ribbon is your next step. This particular section gives you control over the command ribbons at the top of Microsoft Word, allowing you to add or remove features that you frequently use. However, what's of particular interest here is the option to modify keyboard shortcuts. Alongside the Customize Ribbon options, you should notice a button labeled Customize next to Keyboard Shortcuts. Go ahead and click it. Once you click Customize, another window will appear, offering a comprehensive list of all available Word commands. This is where you can select specific functions that you use most often and assign your preferred key combinations. Perusing this list, you have the flexibility to choose commands that are most relevant to your workflow. Maybe you want to have a single key combination for inserting the current date, or perhaps simplify formatting actions. The choice is yours. To set a new shortcut, click on a command from the list, then click into the Press New Shortcut key box. Type the key combination you would like to assign, but do make sure that your new shortcut doesn't conflict with existing, frequently used shortcuts to avoid any unintentional overwriting of important functions. Once you're satisfied with your choices, simply click Assign to finalize this customization. If at any point you change your mind, don't worry. You can reset all settings back to their default with just a single click. And that's it. With your shortcuts now effectively tailored to your liking, you'll be navigating Word faster than ever. Thanks for watching and happy typing.